Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for red. So take a look number one. At a market, milk costs 1.95 per dollar per liter. How much milk can you buy for $50? So number one, so we can just $50. We will divide by 1.95. So this is we can use as 2 decimal place. So we can buy as 25.64 liter. This is 2 decimal place. Next, number 2, Sam travels as a distance 437 kilometer. Use, this is liter. Use 38 liters of petrol. Express his petrol consumption as a rate in kilometer per liter. So kilometer per liter. So we can express it. So here by 437 kilometer, keep it the units, we will divide it by 38 liter. So here the unit is gonna be kilometer per liter. So 437 we divide by 38. So we got 11.5 kilometer per liter. Okay, number 3, calculate the average speed of the following vehicle. Okay, for the speed, I'll give you some tips. So we got the triangle. This is the distance, speed, and time. So to find it the distance, this is speed, we multiply it with the time. Here. So go on. A car travels 96 kilometer. So the speed is gonna be 196. Write it the unit kilometer. We divide by 2.5 hour. So the unit is gonna be kilometer per hour. So 196 we divide by 2.5. So we'll got as 78.4 kilometer per hour. Here's also still speed. Okay, this is minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, let's convert into minutes. So 15 over 60. So it's gonna be 1 over 4. Or if we would like to make it into decimal, it's gonna be 0.25. So the speed is 650 kilometer. We divide by 1.25 hours. So the unit is gonna be kilometer divided by hours. So 50 divided by 1.25 is 520 kilometer per hour. Yeah, quite fast. Next, okay, kilometer and minutes. So we need to convert the unit as the speed is kilometer per hour, not kilometer per minute. So 45 over 60. So it's gonna be, we divide, simplify 3 over 4. Okay, let's keep it that way. So the speed is gonna be 180 kilometer. We divide by 3 over 4 hour. So the unit is still kilometer per hour. So 180 we divide by 3 over 4. So it's gonna be 240 kilometer per hour. However, if you would like to keep it as minutes, however, this is not as common for the speed kilometer per minute. So you just make it 180 kilometer divided by 45 minutes. So the speed is gonna be 4 kilometer per minute mean. However, this is not common use, so we always use kilometer per hour. So how long will it take? Okay, the time. So to find the time, so the distance, we got 400 kilometer, we divide by 80 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is gonna be 5 hours. Next, okay, the time, we got 900 kilometer, we divide by 95 kilometer per hour. So the unit is hours. 900 divided by 95. So this, yeah, it's gonna be 9 hours and 28 minutes. Yeah, 9 hours and 28 minutes. Or if you would like to keep it as the hours, yeah, it's gonna be 9.466. Yeah, go on until 7 hours. Next for C, since there is no enough space, I will write it down. Here the time, so 800 kilometer, we will divide by 45 kilometer per hour. It's gonna be 40 hours. D, this is as a meter, so we need to change it, this meter, into kilometer. So we got 500 meter to kilometer. 500 meter to kilometer. So the time for D, right here D, the time is, make it into kilometer as this unit kilometer per hour. So 0.5 kilometer, we will divide by 7 kilometer per hour. So 0.5, here 0.5 we divide by 7. So as this is, yeah, kilometer per hour, uh, 0.071 hours. Okay, we'll go on 5. How far? So this is the distance. So the distance equal to speed, we multiply it with the time. So the distance equal to 2.5 hours, we multiply it by 60 kilometer per hour. So the distance is 150 kilometer. Here the speed is 120 kilometer per hour. We divide with the time, 2.5 hours. So the distance is gonna be 300 kilometer. Okay, let's write it into, yeah, decimal. Look at it, this is meter, and here as a minute. So we need to change it. Look at it, 25. This is meter per, yeah, meter per minute. So we need to change it into kilometer. Okay, so 25 kilometer, 25 meter. So to change it into kilometers, it's gonna be 0.025. This is kilometer. Then we divide. Look at it. This is minutes. 1 minute there are 60. Right? 60 hours. So 1/60. So we can write it 1/60. Or if you would like to keep it as a decimal, 1 divided by 60. Or just, yeah, keep it as 1/60. This is hours. So we can just go on. So 1 here, 0.025 we divide by 1/60. So this is equal to 0.025 multiplied by 60. So 0.025 we multiply by 6. So it's gonna be 0.15 kilometer per hour. So the distance is 0.15 kilometer per hours. We will multiply by 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. So we got as 0.375 kilometer. Okay, so here meters to kilometer. So 25 meters equal to 0. Look at here. Yeah, 25 meters equal to 0.025 kilometer. And in 1 minute, we will change it into hours. So we can just make it 1, we divide by 60. Then we got 0.025, we divide by 1 over 6. So here we can just flip. Then it will become the multiplication 0.025 we multiplied by 60, so it's gonna be 1.5. Yeah, it's good. My bad, it's not 0.15. It has to be 1.5 kilometer per hour. So this we can just change it into 1.5 kilometer per hour, and the decimal point is gonna be 3.75 kilometer. And then look at it, we got 2 meters per second. So we need to make it into hours. So 2 meter per second. So 2 is gonna be 0.002 kilometer. We'll divide by 1 over 3060 hour. So this is equal to 0.002 divided by 1 over 3600. So this is equal to 0.002. We multiply by 3600. So we got 0.002. We multiplied by, it's gonna be 7.2 kilometer per hour. So we write it here. The distance equal to 7.2 kilometer per hours. Then we multiply by 2.5 hours. Multiplied by 2.5 hours. Yeah, so we got the kilometer equal to 18 kilometer. Okay, next. The water runs out of a 5 at a rate of 0.15 liters per second. How long? Yeah, look at here, how long it will fill 25 liter of container. This is 0. Second per second. So we can just make it here. Number 6 is 25 liter. And here is 0.15 liters per second. So you got 25 divided by 0.15. So it's gonna be 166.67 seconds. Or if you would like to change it into minutes, here just divide it by 60. Divided by 60. It's gonna be 2.78 minutes. Okay, 7. Okay, this is the given that the volume is mass. We divide by the density. Okay, the mass is 15 kilogram. And then the volume. Okay, what is the density? So if this is the volume, go to mass divided by density. So the density equal to mass. We divide by the volume. So the mass we got from here is 15 kilogram. Then we divide by 958 centimeter cube. Okay, as this is they would like to make it into gram, so we need to change it, the unit. So 15 kilogram to gram. So we can just multiply by 1,000. It's gonna be 15,000 gram divided by 958 centimeter cubic. So it's gonna be 15.568 gram per centimeter cubic. Okay, next. Okay, Farc is number 7. Farc expert force of 600 Newton on the road, and each of the 4 wheels has the area of in contact with the road given the pressure. So the pressure, you can write it here, the pressure. So the force is 6,000 Newton. So this is, if this is 1 or 4 wheel has an area, each of the 4, okay, so we can just multiply it by 4. So we got 0.025, we multiply it by 4, so we got 0.1 meter square. So here is 60,000 Newton per meter square. Okay, there it is. Thank you.